social media. We all use it in some way, whether it's for scrolling, sharing, or even running a business. But there's a big difference between just being on social media and actually knowing how to use it effectively. This first level is all about the basics, understanding different platforms, how people interact with content, and how you can start building a solid strategy. No complicated marketing jargon, just simple and practical insights. Before we jump in, here's a quick question for you. What's the one social media platform you spend the most time on in one? Drop your answer in the chat or comments. This will help us see which platforms you're already familiar with and which ones you might want to explore more. Let's get into it. Social media is where people connect, share, and interact. It's basically a digital hangout. It started as a way to keep in touch with friends, but now it's a game changer for businesses and creators. It's not just about posting anymore. It's about building a brand, starting conversation, and even making sales. Let's do a quick poll. How much time do you spend on social media each day? Be honest. Is it less than an hour? Between 1 to 3 hours? Or are you in the past 4 hours club? Think about all the scrolling, posting, and checking notifications throughout the day. Drop your answer in the chat or comments. This will help us see just how big a role social media plays in our daily lives. Every social media platform has its own vibe. Facebook is where communities come together. Instagram is all about visual storytelling. And Twitter is the spot for real-time conversation and trending topics. LinkedIn is the go-to for professional networking, while TikTok is where viral moments happen. YouTube is perfect for deep dives into a long-form content, and Pinterest, that's where people go for inspiration. Social media is always evolving. Right now, short-form videos are everywhere because people love quick, engaging content. Authenticity matters more than ever. Audiences want real, relatable tools, not just polished ads. AI is making content creation easier, and instead of big influencers, businesses are turning to smaller, more niche creators who feel more genuine. It's all about making connection that actually resonate. Paying attention to how people use social media is a game changer. Most of us scroll fast, so if your content doesn't catch attention in the first few seconds, it gets skipped. It's not just about having a zone of followers. Real engagement matters more. People love interactive content like polls and QAs. Next week, we're diving into how to build a social media strategy that actually works. We'll cover setting smart goals, defining your audience, and analyzing the competition so you can create content with purpose. Stay tuned and you won't want to miss this one.